For me, Validate, it's a transnational, transcontinental network that managed to gather different scientists working on the same purpose, trying to develop a vaccine for the main pathogens that are causing a lot of death. The benefit of being a Validate member is this opportunity to meet different very top researchers in this area and have a chance to exchange knowledge, learn from them, and hear opportunity for further researchers. I found the EFCA workshop like a great opportunity for young scientists, early career scientists, research in this case. I've been attending a previous early career workshop, and each year you are doing much better and bringing topics that are very interesting for career development. So I think it's a good idea to continue with these early career workshops. The Validate has these links across different countries and different institutions. And the people who heard about Validate try to join, and the network is growing by hearing about the benefits that people get by being a member of the network. So I think this is one of the way of engaging postdoc, PhD student, master students in those three diseases and having them on board. The Validate is a real network. So Validate is great.